time for a bit of myth busting. More often than not, you only need to replace 2 tyres. But which ones do you replace? The front or the back? In a front wheel drive car, the fronts wear a lot quicker than the rears, and most people think you replace the fronts with brand new tyres, but this isn't necessarily the safest thing to do. If your rear tyres still have tread, it's actually best practice to move your rear tyres to the front and put your 2 new tyres onto the rear. So what's the reason for this? Let's say it's a rainy day and we have the new tyres on the front and the old tyres on the rear. So more tread means more grip. And that means we're at risk of losing the rear end to oversteer when the rear loses grip. Now let's reverse that and say we've got the new tyres on the rear and the old tyres on the front. What this means is we have more grip on the rear, which may induce understeer, which is a lot safer to control. And it's not just us that thinks that. Numerous tests have been carried out by tyre manufacturers to prove that it's actually safer. And that's why tyre manufacturers recommend this. So you learn something new every day.